Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. Kas OPD. Good afternoon. 80 lagi February 80. Puta. Uli. Nick Mahi. Hello. Good afternoon. Love you, my 35. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. Kitty Batoy. Hi, ma'am. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. You make my day. Thank you so much. Nick Mahi. Truth. Joanna Panner, hello. Thank you so much for watching. Good afternoon. Kumusta man ang kwan ngayon, ang weather? Weather dyan sa Manila. Muulan ba? Roger Caladias, hello. Hi. Francis Sabuito, maganda naman yung idol. Thank you so much. Meet Ustonil, hello, miss. Welcome to Turkey. Good afternoon here in Philippines. Kahangin ba? Hangin kayo. Kahangin. Okay. Hello, Roger. Kumusta? Kumusta kay aligdungdong na diri sa moa? Kaulano na sad. Kaulano na po din sa Cagayan. Mag-prepare na tani jacket. Marvin Dizon, hello. Thank you so much. Berky Yaman, hi. Mga gamit sa. Hindi naman akong live. Ano ko yun? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Say mabisi-bisi. How are you? I'm fine. How about you? Charlie Baguio, hello. Number. Thank you for watching. Maganda song. Si Johnny Dakay. Yagnis Metal. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Ah, yes. Roberto Galabi, hello. Let's get married. Gabi? Carl's friend. Ikaw at ako, shout out from Cebu. Hello sa taga Cebu. Kumusta? Daniel Wordsworth. Hello, dear. Hi. Marvin Dizon, may asawa ka na ba o single mom? Single mom. Jose Sanchez, hello. Hi. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Jose Bello. Good afternoon, Ati, from Valenzuela City. God bless you. Thank you so much, Jose Bello. Lucky Bar and Lanalista. Ganda naman. Salamat. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Bigoy, vlogger, Trufolag. Hello, hi, idol. Bagas no, nag-off na ka, dahil pa. Wala pa, padulong pa. Night shift ko, night shift. Palayo pa mang oras. Marvin Dizon, okay. Parehas pala tayo. Single dad din ako. Santo Terador. Hi, pwede ako. Marvin Dizon, thank you for watching. Single mom ka pala. Iki, I know you. Belak Timur, hello. Thank you so much for watching. De la Hunay Neil, how are you? De la Hunay Neil, how are you? You look beautiful, darling. Oh, thank you so much. You got beautiful heart in your body. Thank you so much. Turkey. De la Hunay Neil. I will watch you live. Video, my darling. Thank you so much. Magkas nito gid pareya man day ta og ship day pa. Gali. Sayo pamanggod. Dayo pa kay alas 6. You got a beautiful smile. I'm Neil. Thank you so much, Neil. Jessie Bello. See you next live. I'm going home. Take care always. Take care always. Thank you so much for watching Jess Bello. Shay Galoso Oliveros. Hi, T. Hello. Kamusta naman ka, Shay? Istanbul. You can be my friends. Yes. Miss kita, love. Musta ka na? Junior Labadya. Okay lang ako. Julie, can have your WhatsApp number? Julie, type, yeah, WhatsApp number. Pangs Tibon. Afternoon, Dol. Hello. Cleveland Rebel, Dol. Travis Roberts, hello. Thank you so much for watching. Sam Dada, hello. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for watching. Smiling makes you beautiful. Leto Carlos, thank you so much. The Hunay Nail. Julie, if I come to Philippines, I give hug butts in Philippines. I drink beer with you. Labrador Jerlyn. Hi, Joel. Pa-shoutout ko. Labrador Jerlyn. Thank you so much for watching. Dalahon 9 Julie, if I come to Philippines, I go out with you. I would. I will. 100%. Oh, so cute. Tomas Maguan. Hello, Julie. Hello, hi. Good afternoon. Dalahon 9 Julie, you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Are you? Remark Santiago, hello, musta po? Okay lang. Kira gyapon, ikaw, kamusta? Hi, ma'am, good PM, wala kay Jyoti Dennis Palmero. Naa, unya. Layo pang oras, alas quarter to 4 pa. Brian Padil, hello, good afternoon. Kamusta dyan ang iyong panahon? Medyo makulimlim na. Lalo na yun. Jolly Filipino girls sounds very like each other. Yeah, the sounds that's like. Brian Padel, hello, idol. Jojo, that's cool. Julie, how old are you? I'm old na. I'm old. 38. I'm getting old. Hi, hi. Ma'am, taas pa imong pahulay kay unya pa man imong duty. Pakoy 2 hours. Ma'am, ganan kay kunin mo ba? Ethel Batoy. Ah, salamat, Iti. Dalahon. Julie, if I was in the Philippines, I wear hairstyle. I had bird haircut. I get so many girls around. Oh. Really? Juju, that's Chinese. Dalahunay Nil. I would get girls around in Asia everywhere with bird hair. Juju, that's bye. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, sweetheart. How are you? Dinis pa, ma'am, dili jud ka humble kapag kababae. Ah, salamat, Dennis. How have you WhatsApp number? India, India. Julie, you're cool if you are if I'm 19 old enough to be your son. And 2 years you will be 40. Hindi language, hindi. Green. There. You are not wearing bra. No, I'm wearing bra. I have a bra. Call me Banong. Very, very nice with my sweet. Favorite beautiful music video is sad. I'm with please listen. Idol Winnie, maayong hapon tol. Oh, maayong hapon. Kumusta diya? Kamusta man diya? Maayo ba ang panahon? Hi, Ma'am Giles. Hello, Ben Al. Good afternoon. Please call, enjoy, chat, please. So beautiful, my type. Promise you, so sweet, lovely, smile, my type. You give me WhatsApp number. May gani ka mga silingan naghilom na. Ganina, rasigig kanta-kanta. Mga pagaw na siguro. Matulog ka, kaya di ka katulog. Saba kay si kanta. Mga singer. Darling, please send me WhatsApp number. Na Rendra Patil, hello, good afternoon. How are you? I'm fine. Julie, do you wear lipstick? Do you listen to Kenny Rogers? Yes, of course. I like that. Music, not lipstick. Do you wear lipstick? Do you listen to Kenny Rogers? Yes, of course. Yes, well-known singer. Narendra Patel, kiss me. Julie, do you wear hair gel? Turn back, darling. Jewelry on, backyard, hello. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for watching. Smile. Do her in your head? No. Was up, down. What's up, down? Ah, you look like a fishing woman. Julie, you look like fishing woman. Fishing woman. Why? What fishing woman, Neil? Julie, you look like fishing woman. Fishing. Mangisda nga babae. Hi, Ma'am. Romeo Eligan. No, we're fishing woman, so mangisda ay nga babae. Danny De Los Santos, hello. Good afternoon. Magnonosbleed tayo dito. Wait lang nga. I give you a compliment. Fishing is when you go fishing in the sea. Yes, I understand. That's why, like a fishing woman, mangisda nga babae. Julie is my best friend. Ah, wow. You are very hot. Si Perman, hello, idol. Pwede po ba makipagpadya pa sa iyo? Ah, ganda mo talaga to. So much, Rodrigo Galo, hello. Bukas magdala ako ng mangingista ako dyan. No? Katabi ko lang yung dagat eh. Magpipishing woman. Kasi fishing woman ako eh. Julie, who's funny, me or you? Julie, who's funny, me or you? You and me, so funny. Kuwait touristi, hello, ganda, may asawa ka na. Wala. Sober pati, sexy. Who's funny, me or you? Me and you, you're so funny. Me and you are funny. Nawa na. Dalawa ka mo. Julie, are you please? Toklis or tiklis? What's that tiklis, toklis? You are my favorite girl. Nagminat ako sa oras. Taga saan ka ganda? Taga Cagayan de Oro. Cagayan de Oro. Yes, taga Cagayan de Oro City. The city of a golden friendship. Sober. Add nyo naman ako. Gusto kita makilala ko. Mamaya. Julie, I lay on you. Lapas Peña, I would. Nila unay ni Julie, I would lay on. I would. I love you sana all. Danny Del Santos. Mark Bradley, so pretty. Thank you so much, Mark. Layo pala, Laguna ako. 6 years pala. Thank you so much. Oo, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Taga Mindanao ako. Julie, would you comfort me? Would you give me handshake? Yes. You are my favorite. Oh, thank you so much. Dilahunay niya. Buti lagi naka-smile. I love you, darling. Alfredo Reyes. Beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. Tara, nagsugod na sa akong mga silingan. Oh. Antod na sana siya gabi. Mga singer. Singer. Julie, do I sound like nice person? Yes, of course. I'm a nice person. Demetrius, the moon follows. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, good afternoon. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Thank you. Today is holiday. It's yesterday. It's yesterday. Holiday. Teka po, nakundog ko. Andang kubalon. Are you night free? Julie, you're better than my dad. You're my fucking better than me. What is that? What the problem to your dad? Just Jolly, I like you instead of my dad. What's the problem to your dad? I prefer mom. Good now. Yes. Nagsinger, nagyan ako mga silingan. Ta? Singer yung silingan. Dagano na po, oy, kay. Ano ra? Banana. Tulog yun nakabuok. Really have you down days sometimes with my alam mom, single gaya ako, single yung ganap ko ng Julie, I like yun na single love life from Manila. I like to talk to you instead of my dad. Huh? Actually, sometimes, yeah, at my dad. Oh, kaon na lang gaas yung presensya. Mana ko kaon mo na. Mag-ready na ako. Bye-bye na. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Jorats sa Chris Bye-bye.